Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be walking you through one of the most talked about tools for email marketing, especially for e-commerce businesses, Omnisend. If you've been searching for a way to simplify your marketing efforts while boosting results, you're in the right place. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll know if Omnisend is the solution you've been waiting for. Let's start with the basics. What is Omnisend? Well, it's an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help e-commerce businesses manage email, SMS, and automation campaigns in one place. Think of it as your marketing assistant that works 24/7, without the headaches. What makes Omnisend stand out is how it takes marketing strategies that seem complicated and makes them super easy, even if you're not the most tech-savvy person. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. One standout feature is the drag-and-drop editor. It's like playing with building blocks. You can create beautiful emails and automation workflows without touching a single line of code. That's a lifesaver if you'd rather focus on running your business than learning to code. Features are where Omnisend really shines. It's packed with tools like automation workflows, segmentation, SMS marketing, and A/B testing. But let me break it down in simple terms. Automation means Omnisend can do things for you automatically based on how your customers behave. For example, if someone subscribes to your newsletter, Omnisend can send them a warm welcome series. If they abandon their cart, it'll remind them to complete their purchase. These features are like having an extra employee who never sleeps, and they can seriously boost your sales and engagement. Now, let's move on to customer support, which is something I think you'll really appreciate. Omnisend offers 24/7 live chat, email support, and a huge library of helpful articles. They even have video tutorials and a community forum where you can connect with other users. So whether you're stuck on something or just need a little guidance, help is always a click away. Speaking of costs, let's talk pricing. Omnisend has a free plan, which is fantastic if you're just starting out or want to test the waters. As your business grows, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock more advanced features like SMS marketing or detailed segmentation, basically dividing your audience into specific groups for better targeting. The pricing is fair, but keep in mind that as your email list grows, so will your costs. That's something to plan for as you scale your business. So here's my honest take. Omnisend is a powerful, user-friendly tool packed with features that can help you level up your e-commerce marketing game. It's perfect if you want to combine your email and SMS campaigns in one place and save time. That said, every business is unique, so it's important to weigh what it offers against what you actually need. If you're ready to give it a try, remember there's a free trial waiting for you. It's an easy, risk-free way to see if Omnisend is the right fit for your business. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, I'd love it if you gave the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more honest takes on tools that can make your business life easier. And hey, have you used Omnisend before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.